Hi, I want to show you how to get free button navigation on Google Pixel 9a. So open up your settings first and now scroll down till you can see section System. Then select Navigation Mode and you will see two options, Gesture Navigation and Free Button Navigation. So with Gesture Navigation, you'll get this line on the bottom, and to open recents you need to swipe up till the middle and hold. To go to the home page, swipe up. To go back, swipe inwards like that, and so on. But if you want to get free button navigation, then just click on this option and you will see free buttons on the bottom of the screen. This one, triangle to go back, this round one to go to the home screen, and square to open recents. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.